Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV11 and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by 2 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for optimal performance. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dirt you find. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. To disconnect it, locate the release tab on the battery. Press down on this tab while gently pulling the battery away from the connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it in until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Before replacing the panel, it's a good idea to check the battery contacts for any signs of corrosion or dirt. If you notice any, clean them gently with a dry cloth. This will help ensure a good connection and prolong the life of your new battery. Now, take the panel you removed earlier and place it back over the battery compartment. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you set aside. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Once the panel is secured, give your Dyson SV11 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This not only keeps your vacuum looking good, but also helps maintain its performance. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you're all set. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson SV11 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few simple tools. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.